In continuation of yesterday's speech, I want to convey the other message of Allah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله هو المسيح ابن مريم وقال المسيح يا بني إسرائيل اعبدوا الله ربي وربكم إنه من يشرك بالله فقد حرم الله عليه الجنة ومأواه النار وما للظالمين من أنصار. Surely they have disbelieved who say Allah is the Jesus, son of Mary. But the Messiah, Jesus said, O children of Israel, worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord. Verily, whosoever sets up partners in worship with Allah, then Allah has forbidden paradise for him. The fire will be his abode. And for the polytheists and wrongdoers, there are no helpers. Surely, disbelievers are those who said Allah is the third of the three in a trinity. But there is no Allah, God, none who has the right to be worshipped, but one Allah, God. And if they see not what they say, verily a painful torment will befall the disbelievers among them.